In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily star files and folders in Google Drive. This feature is a fantastic way to mark important files and folders, making them quickly accessible whenever you need them. We're going to walk through the process of adding stars both on the web and from within Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Plus, I'll show you how to view all your starred items together using the starred view. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at how you can add stars to your files and folders directly from Google Drive on the web. Once you're signed into your Google Drive account, navigate to the file or folder you wish to mark as important. You'll want to either right-click on it or click on the three vertical dots that appear in the upper right-hand corner of the item when it's highlighted. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Organize. Hover over that, and you'll find Add to Starred. Go ahead and click that. You've now successfully added a star to your file or folder. Another way to add stars, especially common when you're working within Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, is by opening the file you're currently editing. Up in the top left corner, next to the file's title, you'll see a star icon. Clicking on this icon toggles the starring feature on and off. When the star turns yellow, it means the file is starred and marked important for quick access. Now, if you have multiple items on your Google Drive that you want to star simultaneously, there's a convenient method for that as well. Simply select each file or folder you wish to star by holding down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac. Or, if they're in a sequence, you can hold the Shift key and click to highlight them all. Once your items are selected, right-click on any of them, and you'll find the Add to Starred option available in the drop-down menu. Click it, and all your selected items will now carry a star. After you've marked your files and folders with stars, accessing them is simple. On the left navigation pane in your Google Drive, there's a section labeled Starred. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a view that neatly displays all of your starred items in one location. This makes it incredibly easy to open, sort, or manage these important files and folders, just like you would with any other items in your Google Drive. And that's all there is to it. Adding stars and using the starred view in Google Drive is an excellent way to organize and prioritize your files and folders. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your most important files are always just a click away. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.